Good day everyone, I'm John Mark Herrera and I'm going to share my learnings in empowerment technology. I learned how to use ICT, which means Information and Communication Technology. ICT help us communicate, research, and create. We use in school to search for information, make presentation, and communication with our teachers and classmates. ICT is a big help because it makes tasks easier and opens more opportunities for our futures. One of the lessons I learned is about etiquette. We should always be respectful online, think before we click, avoid posting hurtful words, and respect other people's privacy. And other lesson we studied is multimedia. This is where we combine text, image, audio, video, and animation to create creative outputs like Canva, PowerPoint, and video editors to make digital posters and presentations. Through social media, I learned how to be more creative and expressive in sharing my ideas.